Sa pool ng mga drone at missile ng Iran ang US Embassy sa Baghdad, Iraq. Sa kabila ng mga pag-ataking ito, kumbinsido si US President Donald Trump na Amerika pa rin ang nakakalamang sa sigalot sa Middle East. Yan ang agenda report ni Francis Folve.
Iraq naman ang napuruhan ng counter-offensive ng Iran laban sa Israel at Amerika. Tinarget ng Iranian drones at rockets ang embahada ng Estados Unidos sa Baghdad sa ika-18 araw ng gera. Sapul din ng drone ang Al Rashid Hotel sa Green Zone ng Iraqi capital. Wala namang naiulat na nasawi o nasaktan sa mga pag-atake. Dahil sa nagpapatuloy na sigalot, maaantala ang nakatakdasa ng meeting ni Trump at Chinese leader Xi Jinping mula March 31 hanggang April 2 sa Beijing.
I have to be here, I feel. And so we've requested that we delay it a month or so, and I'm looking forward to being with them. We have a very good relationship, but because of the war, there's no tricks to it either. It's not like, oh, gee, I'm waiting. It's very simple. We got a war going on. I think it's important that I be here. Yeah.
Kamakailan lang, humiling si Trump sa ilang bansa na tulungan ng Amerika na bantayan ang Strait of Hormuz, kung saan dumadaloy ang 1/5 o 20% ng langis ng buong mundo. Pero hindi lahat tumugon sa panawagan ni Trump.
Iran has always used that as an economic weapon, and it's not going to be able to be used very long. Numerous countries have told me they're on the way. Some are very enthusiastic about it, and some aren't. Some are countries that we've helped for many, many years. We've protected them from horrible outside sources, and they weren't that enthusiastic. And the level of enthusiasm matters to me.
Sa kabila nito, kumbinsido si Trump na nananalo na ang Amerika.
Our powerful military campaign to end the threats posed by the Iranian regime continued in full force over the past few days. They have been literally obliterated. The Air Force is gone, the Navy is gone, their radar is gone, and their leaders are gone.
May nakausap din daw sang dating US President na suportado raw ang opensiba sa Iran. Pero hindi ito pinangalanan ni Trump dahil ayaw niya raw itong mapahamak. Para sa agenda, Francis Folve, Bilyonaryo News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.